and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make some delicious spinach dip bites. They are the perfect finger food for your parties. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now for the spinach artichoke dip, grab a strainer in a bowl. Take your spinach and pour that right in here. And we're going to remove the extra liquid that is in the spinach. This is how much liquid I was able to remove from the spinach. We do not need this in this recipe, so I will be throwing this out. After pouring that liquid out, go ahead and add your spinach in the bowl. Add your artichoke, minced garlic, cream cheese, add half of your mozzarella cheese, add your parmesan cheese, season with black pepper, parsley, and some garlic powder. This is how it's looking after mixing it. Now I like to go in with some salt to bring out all the flavors. After giving it a taste, if it tastes good to your liking, go ahead and set this aside. Now go ahead and grease your muffin pan. Lay down some parchment paper. Grab your crescent dough. Go ahead and lay it on your parchment paper. This does not need to be perfect, so as you can see, we need about 24 squares. So now, take your crescent dough, and I like to go in and stretch it a little bit before placing it in here. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And we're going to place that right in here. So this is how it's looking after adding in the spinach artichoke in here. Now grab the rest of your mozzarella cheese and go ahead and sprinkle some on top. This is how they're looking after adding the mozzarella cheese on top. And now stick them in the oven and bake for 15 minutes until they are golden brown. Hello guys, so my spinach artichoke dip bites are ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? And I cannot wait to enjoy it. So good. That was so delicious. It was super easy to make. It's quick, just the perfect finger food for your parties, guys. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.